Why do some HVAC failures happen without warning? Some heating, ventilation, and air conditioning failures seem sudden because small hidden problems can build up until one part finally stops working. An HVAC system often gives quiet warning signs before it fails, but people may not notice them. A dirty air filter makes the blower work harder, which can cause overheating and shorten the motor's life. A weak electrical capacitor may still start the system sometimes, then suddenly fail on a hotter day when the equipment needs more power. Loose wires, aging relays, refrigerant leaks, clogged drains, and worn bearings can also worsen slowly while the system continues running. One lesser-known problem is that repeated short cycles can damage the system even when the indoor temperature seems normal, because the motor starts and stops too often. Outdoor units are especially vulnerable to insects, leaves, rust, and water damage around electrical parts. To reduce surprises, replace the filter on the schedule recommended for your home, keep the outdoor unit clear, and arrange professional maintenance before the hottest or coldest season. Also pay attention to weak airflow, unusual sounds, rising energy bills, strange smells, or rooms that no longer heat or cool evenly. A common mistake is waiting until the system completely stops, so schedule service when you notice unusual noise, weak airflow, or repeated restarting. Another mistake is assuming a new filter fixes every problem, but a filter cannot repair a failing capacitor, refrigerant leak, or damaged motor, so have persistent symptoms checked. Some people also ignore frequent circuit breaker trips, yet resetting the breaker repeatedly can create a safety risk. Turn the system off and call a qualified technician. Never remove electrical panels or handle refrigerant yourself, because stored electricity and pressurized chemicals can cause serious injury. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.